My name is Devendra Mugam. So my metric number is DEE10 DTK21F1042. So today I want to explain the semiconductor device about the question 4 and the question 5. First of all, question 4. Sketch and the label of the cinematic symbols and the E MOSFET and explain the operations. So the E formats, E MOSFET can operate is only in an enhancement mode. Is formats is used primarily as a switching device that operates a cutoff or in the mixed regions. So this is one of the example of the pictures. So when we see this one, it's got the we got a gate. And we got the two types of the channels, N channel and P channels. So it's a bit same, but quite different. So we example, we see this one is a gate, drain, and source. So another one is question 5. Explain the characteristics of the UJT. So the uni-junction of transmissions, the meaning of, so the uni-junction transistor is, and we call UJT for short of the 3-terminal semiconductor device, somewhat a kind to the normal transistor. The expectation is that by and thickness of material, it has entirely different characteristics between the currents and voltage of the 3 terminals. It becomes a device in which a current flow once it trigger on. It features a stable trigger voltage BP and a very low value of firing current IP, a negative system religion, where a rise in voltage between terminal is related to a fall, not a rise in current, and high current carrying capacity once it has pushed pulse on. As there are 50 different kind of we can only give a general impression for their operation there. The symbol showed is in figure 1. This is the figure 1. We can we see the basic and uni-junction symbols. When an emitter, or we call E, is a reverse base, no current can flow between B1 and B2 bases. When BE rise sufficiently is also the state between the base and quite sharply. Comments to flow this seen by studying the responsive statics emitters characteristics curve begin in figure 2 until VE rise to close to VP. The actual value typically from 3 volt to 20 volt for VBB of 4 volt minus 30 volt, i.e. so called the currents remain virtually zero after the IEO current value. Emitter current can be absorbed by VE, that's equal currents, voltage currents drops back, exhibition a negative resistance religion in the uni-junctions. Therefore, the equivalent of the collector emitter current flow of normal transistor takes place between the emitter and base 1, base 2, acting as the input that decide at which point the circuit goes into the conductor state. So this is one the figure 2. We can say the frequent. So we see the emitter voltage, cutoff region, negative resistance regions, saturation regions, peak point, and we see the straight line of the emitter to base 1 desired characteristics. So that's all. Thank you so much.